Most people think mechanics love all cars, but the truth is there are some models they secretly hate because they almost never break down. These cars are so reliable, they hardly ever need repairs. In this video, we're looking at the cars that mechanics hate for all the right reasons. Let's get started. 2010 Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla has long been the gold standard for reliability, and the 2010 model shows exactly why mechanics secretly hate it. Powered by a simple yet durable four-cylinder engine, it's a car that rarely gives owners serious problems. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the setup is basic but proven. And that's what makes it last. Many owners easily see these cars pass 200,000 or even 300,000 miles with just oil changes and routine service. On the road, the Corolla isn't flashy, but it's steady, fuel-efficient, and dependable. The suspension provides a comfortable ride, and the compact size makes it perfect for daily driving in the city or commuting on the highway. Inside, the design is simple and practical, with materials that hold up surprisingly well over time. What makes the 2010 Corolla stand out is how little it asks from its owners. Mechanics don't see it often because there's rarely anything major to fix. For anyone looking for an affordable, used car that's guaranteed to last, the Corolla is the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it vehicle. 2012 Honda Civic. The 2012 Honda Civic is another car that mechanics don't see often, simply because it almost never breaks down. Powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, it delivers just enough performance for daily driving, while being one of the most durable engines in its class. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or automatic transmission, this setup is simple, proven, and capable of lasting well past 200,000 miles. On the road, the Civic is light, fuel-efficient, and easy to maneuver. It's the kind of car that makes commuting cheap and stress-free, with excellent gas mileage that still holds up today. The ride is comfortable enough for longer trips, and the handling is nimble, giving it a fun-to-drive character that many compact cars lack. Inside, the 2012 model offers a practical and user-friendly layout. The seats are supportive, the materials are durable, and the cabin has more space than you'd expect for a compact car. Even after years of use, many Civics still feel solid. What makes this car so frustrating for mechanics is its reliability record. Owners routinely drive them for years, with nothing more than basic maintenance. For buyers who want an affordable car that just won't quit, the Civic is one of the safest choices you can make. 2011 Toyota Camry. The 2011 Toyota Camry is the definition of a car that just keeps going, built with Toyota's legendary 2.5-liter four-cylinder or the optional 3.5-liter V6. Both engines have a proven record of lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Camry doesn't try to be fancy. It focuses on being dependable, which is why mechanics hardly ever see these cars for major issues. On the road, it's exactly what a midsize sedan should be. Quiet, comfortable, and easy to drive, the suspension absorbs bumps well, the cabin stays calm at highway speeds, and the steering is predictable, making it perfect for both commuting and family trips. Inside, the Camry keeps things simple but durable. There's plenty of space for 5 passengers, solid materials that hold up over time, and controls that are straightforward and reliable. Even after more than a decade, many Camrys still feel tight and well put together. What frustrates mechanics most is how little goes wrong with this car. Owners routinely drive them for years with almost no major repairs. If you want a sedan that combines affordability, comfort, and unbeatable dependability, the 2011 Camry is hard to top. 2013 Honda Accord. The 2013 Honda Accord is a mid-size sedan that mechanics often admit is nearly impossible to kill, offered with either a reliable 2.4-liter four-cylinder or a strong 3.5-liter V6. Both engines are built to last and can easily reach 250,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. The transmissions are equally dependable, and Honda's engineering keeps repair needs minimal compared to other luxury-leaning sedans in its class. On the road, the Accord balances comfort and sharp handling. The steering feels precise, the suspension is smooth, and it's just as confident on the highway as it is around town. It's a car that appeals to families, commuters, and even driving enthusiasts thanks to its engaging yet practical design. Inside, the cabin offers quality materials, a spacious back seat, and a dashboard layout that's simple and easy to use. Even a decade later, many Accords still feel solid and free of squeaks or rattles. What makes the 2013 Accord stand out is how rarely it needs major repairs. Mechanics often joke that these cars keep them out of business because they run for years with little more than oil changes and brake service. For buyers looking for long-lasting value, the Accord is one of the safest bets on the used market. 2014 Lexus RX 350. The 2014 Lexus RX 350 is one of those rare luxury SUVs that doesn't fit the stereotype of constant repairs. Built on the same proven foundation as Toyota models, it uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup is smooth, powerful, and capable of lasting well past 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Mechanics often say this SUV is boring for them because it simply doesn't show up in the shop very often. On the road, the RX 350 delivers what luxury buyers want most: comfort and quietness. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps with ease, and the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Available all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in poor weather, making it reliable year-round. Inside, it offers leather seating, premium finishes, and user-friendly technology. With plenty of passenger and cargo space, it's practical enough for families, but still upscale enough to feel like a true luxury SUV. What makes the 2014 RX 350 special is that it combines Lexus luxury with Toyota dependability. While many luxury SUVs are money pits as they age, this one just keeps going. For drivers who want prestige without the pain of repair bills, the RX 350 is a top pick. 2015 Mazda 3. The 2015 Mazda 3 proves that a compact car can be both fun to drive and incredibly reliable. Powered by Mazda's Skyactiv 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter four-cylinder engines, this car is known for excellent fuel efficiency and long-term durability. With routine maintenance, these engines can easily last well over 200,000 miles, which is why mechanics rarely see them for anything other than basic service. On the road, the Mazda 3 feels sportier than most of its competition. The steering is sharp, the suspension is agile, and it brings a level of driving enjoyment that's rare in the compact class. Despite its fun character, it still delivers a smooth, comfortable ride for everyday commuting. Inside, it offers a modern and practical design. The cabin feels higher quality than you'd expect for its price, with supportive seating, intuitive controls, and tech features like Bluetooth and navigation available. The materials also hold up well over time, making older models feel newer than they are. What frustrates mechanics is that the Mazda 3 simply doesn't break down often. Owners get years of dependable use without major costs, making it one of the smartest, budget-friendly cars you can buy. Reliable, efficient, and fun, it checks every box. 2012 Toyota RAV4. The 2012 Toyota RAV4 is a compact SUV that's built to last, and it's one of those vehicles mechanics quietly admit they almost never see for major issues. It came with either a dependable four-cylinder engine or a strong 3.5-liter V6, both paired with automatic transmissions that are known for long-term durability. With basic care, these engines easily push past 200,000 miles, sometimes even reaching 300,000. On the road, the RAV4 delivers exactly what buyers expect: comfort, practicality, and reliability. The ride is smooth, the steering is light, and with available all-wheel drive, it handles bad weather with ease. It's the kind of SUV that just does everything well without drawing attention to itself. Inside, it's roomy for its class, with generous cargo space and a simple, user-friendly layout. Toyota built it with durability in mind, so even older models feel solid and hold up well over the years. What makes the 2012 RAV4 stand out is its reputation for being nearly unbreakable. Mechanics don't make money on these because they don't break down often. For buyers who want a compact SUV that just keeps going, the RAV4 is one of the best choices you can make. 2011 Honda CR-V. The 2011 Honda CR-V is one of the most trusted compact SUVs on the used market, and mechanics often admit it's almost boring how reliable it is. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, This setup is simple, durable, and capable of running well beyond 200,000 miles with basic upkeep. It's the kind of drivetrain that just doesn't quit. On the road, the CR-V is easy to drive and comfortable for daily use. The suspension delivers a smooth ride, the steering is light and predictable, and available all-wheel drive makes it dependable in rain or snow. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done with zero drama. Inside, Honda designed the cabin with practicality in mind. There's good space for passengers, a flexible cargo area, and controls that are straightforward and reliable. Even after years of use, many CR-Vs still feel solid and free of squeaks or rattles. What makes the 2011 CR-V frustrating for mechanics is how rarely it needs more than routine service. Oil changes, brakes, and tires are about all most owners ever deal with. For buyers who want a compact SUV that simply works year after year, the CR-V is a top pick. 2015 Lexus ES 350. The 2015 Lexus ES 350 is a luxury sedan that completely breaks the stereotype of high-maintenance premium cars. Built on the same foundation as the Toyota Camry, it combines Toyota's legendary reliability with Lexus comfort and refinement. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, a setup that mechanics love because it's simple, durable, and built to last well over 200,000 miles. On the road, the ES 350 is smooth, quiet, and composed. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps effortlessly, while the cabin remains whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. It's designed to make daily driving feel stress-free, whether you're commuting or taking long trips. Inside, the ES delivers premium luxury with leather upholstery, wood trim, and advanced features like navigation, Bluetooth, and available safety technology. The interior is spacious, refined, and built with materials that stand the test of time. What frustrates mechanics most is that the ES 350 just doesn't break down like many European rivals. Owners enjoy years of worry-free driving with very few costly repairs. For anyone wanting a luxury car without the headaches, this Lexus is one of the smartest choices. 2013 Toyota Tacoma. The 2013 Toyota Tacoma is one of the toughest mid-size trucks ever built, and mechanics often admit it's one of the few vehicles that keeps them out of work. Powered by either a 2.7-liter four-cylinder or a 4.0-liter V6. Both engines are known for being nearly indestructible. With simple, proven transmissions and Toyota's reputation for durability, it's common to see these trucks pass 300,000 miles without major repairs. On the road, the Tacoma feels solid and dependable. It's not built for flashy performance. Instead, it's built to handle daily driving, hauling, and even off-road adventures with ease. The suspension is rugged, but still comfortable enough for everyday use, making it versatile for work and play. Inside, it's straightforward and functional. The materials are durable. The layout is simple,